Question 6b. We can implicitly differentiate this a few different ways. So I'm going to show you another rearrangement of this. And this is doing this so that we don't have to apply the quotient rule. So it's going to look like this. We're going to do xy is equal to 1 plus x log y. Okay, and then we're going to differentiate this implicitly. So here I'm going to use the product rule. 1 times y plus x times the derivative of y is going to give me y prime. And that's going to be equal to the derivative of this. I'm going to use product rule again. So it's going to be 1 times log y plus 1 plus x times 1 over y. So we're differentiating the log. And then we need to differentiate y to generate the y prime. Now, in this case, we can then expand this all and combine like terms and bring all the y primes to one side. So we're going to get x y prime. So let's just simplify this first. So we're going to end up with y plus x y prime. And that's going to be equal to log y plus, that's going to be 1 over y. Let's keep 1 or x plus 1 all over y. And then we're going to multiply that by y prime. Okay, so then grouping together our terms, I'm going to move the log y to the other side. So I end up with y minus log y, and that's going to be equal to 1 plus x over y minus x. I'm going to factor out the y prime. Okay, and then we can solve for the y prime. Y prime is equal to y minus log y all over 1 plus x over y minus x. So there's our derivative. Now we can rewrite this in a few different ways. So basically this is the solution. Okay, so we have our solution here. We can use that. There are a few different rearrangements of this. There's an equivalent rearrangement that is y prime is equal to, and we can get rid of the log if we want. The log is going to be, we can use the original definition of log y, which is xy over 1 plus x. And this is 1 plus x over y minus x. Okay, now probably want to get rid of that divide by y in the denominator. So what we can do is we can times by y on top and bottom. Maybe I'll just show that in a different color here so that we know that's just added in. So times y. And so another version of this y prime would be y squared minus x y squared over 1 plus x. And that's going to be all over 1 plus x minus xy. So there's a few different variations of this, but this is another variation of that same one.